Do you want to know the secret behind my voluminous hair at home? Presenting Agaro Hot Air Brush, your 3-in-1 hair dryer, volumizer and styler, 360-degree airflow vent, even hair distribution, oval, barrel designs, effortless volume and bounce, activated charcoal bristles, frizz-free and smooth styling, ceramic tourmaline coating, less heat damage, more shine. Iconic technology, say goodbye to static hair, 2 speed and 3 heat settings. Customize your hairstyling. Get salon-like volume at home. Try the Agaro Volumizer hair dryer today.